Fruit-borne disease was first discovered in 2015 in South Korea. This discovery led to Australia stopping the import of Korean pears at that time, as a measure to prevent the spread of the disease. Fruit-borne disease, notably caused by the bacterium Erwinia amylovora, commonly infects plants through several pathways, with flower infection being the primary mode. The bacteria enter through the flower's nectaries, quickly colonizing the tissues and leading to blight. Wounds on the plant, whether from pruning, insect damage, or weather incidents like hail, also serve as entry points for the bacteria. Additionally, the bacteria can infiltrate through natural openings such as stomata on leaves or lenticels on stems and fruits, although this is less typical compared to flower or wound infections. Once the bacterium has penetrated the plant, it spreads through the vascular system, causing shoots to wilt and blacken, which visually resembles scorching by fire. This rapid spread, particularly under warm and humid conditions, necessitates diligent management strategies. These include employing resistant cultivars, removing infected plant material to maintain sanitation, and careful monitoring to apply control measures promptly. It's also advised to avoid orchard work when plants are wet to prevent the bacterium's spread, underscoring the importance of proactive and preventive measures in managing fruit-borne disease. Overhydration, or water intoxication, arises when an excessive water intake dilutes the body's electrolytes, especially sodium, leading to a condition known as hyponatremia. The initial symptoms often include nausea and vomiting as the body struggles to manage the surplus water. This can be accompanied by headaches or a sense of pressure in the skull due to the electrolyte imbalance. As the condition progresses, individuals might experience confusion, disorientation, or have difficulty concentrating, indicating the impact of low sodium levels on brain function. Muscular symptoms such as weakness, spasms, or cramps can also manifest due to the disturbed electrolyte balance affecting muscle operation. In severe cases, the rapid alteration in electrolytes may trigger seizures. Overhydration often leads to a general state of fatigue and lethargy as the body expends energy trying to excrete the excessive water. Edema, or swelling of the body, can occur as cells retain too much water. One of the more serious outcomes of overhydration is difficulty breathing, a result of fluid accumulation in the lungs. If not addressed promptly, overhydration can escalate to brain swelling, coma, and potentially be fatal. It is essential to maintain a balance between water and electrolyte intake, particularly during activities that increase the body's water loss, to prevent overhydration. Treating overhydration requires a careful approach to reduce excess water in the body and correct the electrolyte imbalance, particularly sodium levels. Initially, this often means reducing or halting fluid intake to allow the kidneys to process and excrete the surplus water, helping to rebalance electrolytes naturally. In cases where electrolyte imbalance is more pronounced, medical intervention may include administering electrolytes via intravenous fluids to rapidly restore equilibrium. For severe overhydration, healthcare providers might prescribe diuretics to increase urination and expedite the removal of excess water, carefully managing the process to avoid worsening the electrolyte imbalance. Continuous monitoring of fluid and electrolyte levels through blood tests is crucial during this period to ensure the treatment's effectiveness and make necessary adjustments. Identifying and addressing any underlying causes of overhydration is also a vital part of the treatment process. If overhydration stems from a medical condition, such as heart failure or kidney disease, managing these conditions becomes an integral aspect of effectively treating overhydration. Through a combination of reducing fluid intake, replenishing electrolytes, using diuretics when necessary, and addressing underlying health issues, healthcare professionals can guide patients back to a healthy fluid balance, preventing serious complications.